into the darkness. You're the only right among the wrong. You're the only hope among the chaos. You're the voice that calls me on, louder than every lie, my sword in every fight. The truth will chase away the night. Your name is power over darkness, freedom for the captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Your name is victory in the battle, glory in the struggle, mighty and won't let us down or fail us. Your name is power. Your name is power. I know it is written, hope is certain. I know that the word will never fail. I know that in every situation, you speak the power to prevail. Louder than every lie, my sword in every fight. The truth will chase away the night. Your name is power over darkness, freedom over its captives, mercy for the broken and the hopeless. Your name is faithful in the battle, glory in the struggle, mighty and won't let us down or fail us. Your name is power. Your name is power. When you speak, you scatter darkness. Light arrives and heaven opens. Holy Spirit, let us hear it. When you speak, the church awakens.